So some of you already know me, but I'm Dead Overflow. As you can see, I'm quite popular on YouTube as well as on this Medium platform, and I'm popular for my hacking content. Now, if you're wondering what I would do if I was to start affiliate marketing, well, this is the thing. This is the thing you have to do. You first of all have to build yourself up. You have to become somewhat famous. As you can see, I have 2,000 followers here, and on YouTube I have like 8, almost 9K. So what I would do, right, is sign up for Temu's affiliate program right here, and then basically search up for hacking items. So just go hacking, done, and literally now promote all of these products on which I can earn the highest commission. For example, this one, Raspberry Pi 02, whatever, I can earn $5, €5 of that, €1. That's not good. So I just select which products I'm wanting to sell, and then I promote them either here or on my YouTube channel and just make money. So this is how you do it. First step is build yourself up online by building up something that you're passionate about. For example, I was passionate about hacking and cybersecurity research. That's what I've done. And now what I can do is just promote products that I want to, and I can earn commission based. For example, I can earn €6 if someone purchases this. Not a lot, but this is how you could do it.